You probably know Leonardo as the AI that turns text into stunning images. But here's the real game changer. Leonardo now turns text into video, and even supports top models like Kling and VO3. And that's not all. With Leonardo, you can even animate static images, bring them to life, and turn them into breathtaking cinematic videos with just a few clicks. Every video and animation you're watching right now was made inside Leonardo. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn your text and photos into professional videos and animations.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman. This is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to a new tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
Iman Global YouTube channel.
First of all, it's better to log into a Google account in your browser before anything else. Now I search for Leonardo.Ai in a search engine. Leonardo is accessible for free with your Google account. As you can see, I'm entering Leonardo.Ai. Leonardo.Ai gives you 150 completely free credits every day, which you can use to create a large number of images and artistic masterpieces in different styles. The exciting part is that these 150 credits are replenished daily at no cost, so you can come back tomorrow and the day after to create new images for free. Keep in mind that video creation in Leonardo wasn't free before, but as of the release of this tutorial, Leonardo's plans have changed, and free video creation is now possible. However, there's no guarantee these plans will stay permanent, so if you watch this tutorial later and the plans have changed, don't accuse me of lying. I go to the video section from the left menu. The prompt box is at the top, and I insert the prompt I prepared in advance. Now let's move on to the settings. I open the model list. Here you can choose your video generating AI. The motion model is Leonardo's own dedicated model, and you can use it for free. But as you can see, you also have the option to choose from top models in the world, like Kling 2.5 Turbo or VO3 Fast. Using these premium models naturally requires upgrading your account to premium. I select the new Motion 2 Fast model. In the motion control list, you can see ready-made camera movement presets that are very cinematic. I choose the dolly out option. I'm not touching motion elements for now. I leave prompt enhancer on auto. The style section is very interesting and can completely change the video's theme. Let's remove the previous style and add a new style to the video. In the vibe section, I select Pro Photo. For lighting, I set Golden Hour. For color theme, I choose Warm. In generation mode, I select Fast because it creates the video faster, costing fewer credits, but the video will be in 480p. If you choose Quality, the video will be higher quality in 720p, but it will take longer to generate and cost more credits. For now, we're using the free credits Leonardo gave us, so we haven't paid anything. In video dimensions, you can choose square, horizontal, or vertical frames for your video. Since I'm making a long YouTube video, I select 16:9. In number of video, you can set how many videos are generated per process. Keep in mind that choosing more will cost more credits. One thing to note is the yellow triangle next to the style option. It says that if you want the style to work correctly, you need to disable camera movement. After disabling this item, the warning goes away. As you can see, with these settings, generating the video uses 70 credits from our balance. I click Generate, and after a very short time, the video is ready. I like this video and download it. Check out other videos I've created using the same prompt as well. In our second scenario, we want to create an image and bring it to life, giving it motion. I go to the image section from the left menu. You can see the images I previously created in the central area. Leonardo's interface has completely changed. But if you are an older Leonardo user and prefer the previous interface, you can enable legacy mode here to see and work with the classic Leonardo look again. The old interface is now nostalgic. Let's return to the modern interface. I have a prompt prepared in advance, and I insert it into the prompt box at the top. From the model section, you have access to a wide world of powerful image generating engines. Some of them, like Phoenix or Lucid Origin, are exclusive to Leonardo, while some modern global models, like Nano Banana, Flux, and Ideogram, are also hosted in Leonardo, and you can select them during the image generation process. In this example, I select Lucid Realism, which is exclusive to Leonardo and very new. I turn off the prompt enhancer because I don't want my prompt to be altered in any way. In the style section, you can choose the image style from options like bokeh for background blur, macro for detailed elements, portrait for personal images. I select dynamic for this example. In generation mode, I choose fast because it generates the image faster, though selecting quality would naturally produce a higher resolution image. In image dimensions, you have great flexibility and can choose square, horizontal, or vertical frames. Since I'm creating content for horizontal long YouTube videos, I select 16:9. There are also presets for Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I set the image size to medium, which is 1600 by 896, but you can also choose small or large. In number of images, you can set how many images are generated per process. I select 4, but keep in mind that choosing more will consume more credits. With these settings, 48 tokens are deducted from our balance. I click the Generate button, and after a very short time, the images are ready. When I hover over the thumbnails, the download option appears in the top right corner. By clicking the 3-dot icon, I also have access to delete. Let's review them. The images are really good, but let's test another model. This time I select Phoenix 1. Note that changing the model now consumes 24 tokens from our balance. I repeat the generate process. The images are quickly generated based on the prompt. Let's review them. I really like one of these images, so I download it. Now my mind says to test the Lucid Origin model, which is very new. I select this model, and this time 46 tokens are deducted from our balance. I repeat the generate process. The images are quickly generated based on the prompt. Let's review them. The results are truly masterpieces. I really like one of these images, so I download it. Now that the image is ready, we need to animate it and turn it into a video. When I hover over my chosen image, the Generate Video option appears. Even when I click to open the image in full size, the Create Video option appears on the right. I click it, and the Image to Video section opens. Let's check the settings. At the start, we have the prompt box, where we enter our idea for animating the image. In Select from Recent Images, you can even replace the current image with one you recently created. In the Model section, the video generating engines are listed. In Motion Control, you can add cinematic camera movement from presets. I select the Crush Zoom Out option. In Motion Elements, by selecting a preset, you can completely change the style and look of the video. In Generation Mode, choosing Fast deducts 70 tokens from your balance, but the video will be in 480p. By selecting Quality, the video is generated in 720p. Right now the Generate button is disabled. The reason is that the Motion 2 model is probably outdated and no longer supported, but by selecting the Motion 2 Fast model, the Generate option becomes available again. Here I decide to go with Quality, but this time 150 tokens are deducted from our balance. I click Generate, and after a very short time, the video is ready. By following the View Generation option, we can see the final result. I like this video and download it. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Then smash that like button with full power. It really helps the channel grow. The next tutorial is dropping very soon, packed with tips and tricks that will truly surprise you, so don't miss out. Hit subscribe right now, ring the notification bell, and remember, AI is the future, so embrace it today and be part of the journey.